Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given system of equations x power 3 plus y power 3 divided by x plus y equals to 7. And the second equation is x power 3 minus y power 3 divided by x minus y equals to 19. In other words, we are going to solve for x and y, where x and y are our integers. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first step. Let's focus on this very first equation. And here I have copied it down. And now let's recall this famous identity. A cube plus b cube could be written as the product of a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. We are going to apply this identity for this numerator. So therefore our numerator is going to become x plus y times x square plus y square minus xy divided by x plus y equals to 7. Now we can see this x plus y and x plus y, they cancel each other out, so we ended up with only x square plus y square minus xy equals to 7. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this second equation. And here I have copied it down. Now let's recall another identity, a cube minus b cube. It could be written as a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. We are going to apply this identity on the numerator over here. Therefore, the numerator is going to become x minus y times x square plus y square plus xy divided by x minus y equals to 19. And now we can see this x minus y and x minus y cancel each other out, so we ended up with x square plus y square plus xy equals to 19. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 2. And now in this next step, let's go ahead and add these two equations 1 and 2. And here I have copied down these equations 1 and 2. Now let's go ahead and add these two equations. We can see this negative xy and positive xy, they are gone. So we ended up with, when we add these equations, we're going to get 2x square plus 2y square equal to 26 on the right hand side. Now let's go ahead and divide across the board by 2 each and every term, and then we can see that we got this one, x square plus y square turns out to be equal to 13. Let me call this our equation number 3. And now let's focus on this equation 2. And here I have copied it down, and we know that our x square plus y square value is 13. So I'm going to replace this one by 13. So therefore we got 13 plus x times y equals to 19. Let's go ahead and subtract 13 from both sides. This is gone. So our x times y value turns out to be 6. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 4. And now let's recall this famous identity, x plus y whole square could be written as x square plus y square plus 2 times xy. In our case, this x square plus y square equals to 13 from this equation 3, and this x times y is 6. Let's go ahead and replace these values. So x square plus y square in our case is 13 plus 2 times x times y is 6. So 13 plus 12 is going to give us 25. Now let's go ahead and take a square root on both sides to undo this square. This square and square root is gone. So on the left hand side we got x plus y equal to positive or negative 5. And if we split these positive and negative sign, our x plus y value is going to be a 5, and the other value is going to be x plus y equals to negative 5. And now we are going to consider two cases. In case 1, x plus y equals to 5, and in case 2, x plus y is negative 5, and we know that x and y are integers. Now let's go ahead and focus on case 1 first. So we know x plus y equals to 5, and x times y equals to 6 from equation 4, and we also know that x and y are our integers. Therefore only possible values for x is going to be 2, y equals to 3, or in other words we can also put it like this thing: x could take value 3 and y equals to 2. In other words, we got this at 2 comma 3 or 3 comma 2. And now let's focus on our case 2 when x plus y value is negative 5, and we also know that x times y is 6, where x and y are our integers. Therefore our x value is going to be this time negative 2, and y value is going to be negative 3, and the other possibility is going to be x equal to negative 3 and y equals to negative 2. If we multiply these two numbers, we are going to get positive 6, and if we add them, we are for sure we're going to get negative 5. So thus our solutions for this case is going to be a negative 2 comma negative 3 and negative 3 comma negative 2. And here are our 4 solutions, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.